Hello everyone, welcome to Saraswati Accountants YouTube channel. Myself Deepak Sharma, I'm working as an IT specialist in the company. In this video, we are going to talk about an advanced feature with the name Advanced Transpose. Before starting the practical portion, I would like to inform you that this feature is only available with the Excel 2016-2019 editions. It is also available with the Office 365 edition, which is the cloud-based version of MS Office. So let's start the practical portion. What exactly is transpose? So transpose is it is a feature which helps us to convert our rows into columns and our columns into rows. As you can see, I have few information regarding employees here. I just select this information and I want to convert these columnized information into rows. So I have just select them. I clicked on copy. After clicking the copy, I will provide the target cell on which I want to apply this transpose. I just click on paste special and select the checkbox with the name transpose and I click OK. As you can see, my value is being transposed. Columns are being changed into rows. But there is a small problem. If I change the source value, for example, if I change Anita into Anu and I just press enter, it won't change in the target cells. As you can see, Anita still exists here. So now we can use advanced transpose, which allows us to change the value as soon as the source value changes. So what we will do, we will again select the data, click on copy. After clicking on copy, we will provide the cell on which we want to apply the transpose, and then what will we do, we will select the number of cells which are being affected by our transpose. So as you can see, I have selected few rows and I have selected 6 columns for that. After the selection, I will click on equal to apply a formula with new transpose. As soon as the transpose function occurs, you will press tab and then you will provide the range of the source. After providing the range, you will close the bracket, and now instead of pressing enter, what you will do, you will select Ctrl Shift and enter. As soon as you select Ctrl Shift and enter, it will again transpose the values. But now if I change the value, or if I change the original source, for example, if I change Rahul into Rahul and I press enter, you can see that now it will certainly change the value according to the source value. This is the feature which is called advanced transpose, and it is a very effective feature. Thank you. For more videos, you can subscribe our channel and you can like our videos. Thanks a lot.